Now this topic, charges on property, feels very practical. I have seen this in bank cases, mortgage reports, and valuation assignments. But I want clarity from fundamentals. What exactly is a charge and why is it so important for a valuer?
Very good. This is a core due diligence concept. A charge means a legal claim or security interest created on property to secure a loan or obligation. In simple terms, property is not fully free. It is tied to a liability.
So how are these charges created?
There are mainly two types. Fixed charge, created on specific identifiable asset, example, mortgage on land, building.
So that asset cannot be sold without lender's consent?
Correct. It is tightly controlled.
Floating charge, created on class of assets, example, stock, inventory. So assets keep changing?
Yes, business can operate normally, but lender has a floating claim.
Now these terms, mortgage, hypothecation, pledge, how are they different?
Mortgage, charge on immovable property, land, building. Hypothecation, movable assets without possession transfer. Pledge, movable assets with possession given to lender.
So control level increases from hypothecation to pledge?
Exactly.
Now this looks critical. Registration.
Yes, under Companies Act. Must be registered with Registrar of Companies ROC, Section 77 to 87, within 30 days with possible extensions. Once registered, it becomes public record. All stakeholders, buyers, lenders are aware.
So transparency is ensured?
Yes, this is called constructive notice.
What if charge is not registered?
Very serious consequences. Charge becomes void against liquidator. Lender loses security priority.
So lender becomes unsecured creditor?
Exactly. Huge risk.
Now what happens when loan is repaid?
Charge must be satisfied and removed, filed with ROC.
So property becomes free?
Yes, only after proper satisfaction entry.
Now tell me clearly, what should a valuer do with this information?
3 key impacts. Encumbrances and marketability. Charged property has restricted marketability. Buyer risk increases. Title and liabilities. Valuer must verify clear title. Identify outstanding liabilities. Liquidation value. Charges determine priority of claims. Affects realizable value in distress.
So valuation is not just about physical property. It's about legal freedom of that property?
Exactly. Always remember, a property with charge is not fully owned. It is partially controlled by the lender. Free property, higher value. Encumbered property, risk-adjusted value.
So as a valuer, checking ROC charges is not optional. It is mandatory due diligence.
Absolutely. That is what ensures accurate, risk-aware valuation.